discuss about the activity monitor, such like in Windows in the task manager. So let's we start in the Mac where we find the activity section where all the processes are running. So we will start open the apps section, and there in the other section is the one folder, and inside the folder is the having the activity monitor. In the click on the activity monitor, you can able to see the all this activity are running in your background, and such as the CPU is, and check the memory, and in there the lots of the columns, and there are the energy, disk, network, more other features are the provide. You can able to see in that. If you don't find the where the activity monitor, and click on the upside in the corner in the spotlight, and in there search activity monitor. So I'm written in the only two words in there, so suggest me the activity monitor. Click on the activity monitor. If you don't get the search button, you just click on the command and space is the shortcut. You get it the activity monitor spotlight, and after that in the search in the activity monitor. Thank you guys. Please like and share.